Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. I know that you are bored with routine side dishes for the chapati, but now I'm going to show you a different and healthy, tasty side dish for chapati. Are you ready? Come, let's watch it. Tomato 1 cup, potato 1 cup, beans, carrot and green peas. You should cut all in the equal sizes. For paste, green chilli, pepper, ginger, garlic, 5 gram, coconut, cloves and chili. This one, salt for taste. Now we'll see the procedure. Take a thick pan like this. Add some ghee into the pan. Let the ghee melt. Cloves and grains to this. It will add flavor to this dish. Now add green peas. One by one add one vegetable, carrot. As we are adding vegetables, it is very healthy for kids and for us also. Now I am adding beans. Potato. Let's fry for 2 seconds. Now I am adding tomato. As we did not add any water, please keep on mixing for 2 seconds and leave it. If all these vegetables fry in the ghee, it will taste and aroma will be nice. Now we have fried it for 5 to 10 seconds. Now we should add water. Add water and let it boil for some time. Leave the vegetables to boil finely. Now I am adding chilies to the mixie jar, pepper, ginger and garlic. You should add coconut, 5 gram. Keep it in the mixie for the fine paste. Add some water and again grind it. See, like this you have to make it to paste. These chilies, pepper, this thing, add according to your taste. How much spicy you want, you just add, like you can add like that. According to the quantity of the vegetables you have taken, you have to add the chilies and pepper to that. See, it's boiling now. When it's boiling, just add a pinch of baking soda so that green peas will boil. If you want, you can just keep these vegetables in the whistle for 1 whistle and you can add this. But if you boil like this only, it will be taste good. Now see, nice smell is coming. Just see, green peas. Vegetables will be boiled. Green peas it will take some time to boil. So check the green peas whether it is boiled or not. Now add the paste which you had grinded in the mixie now. Add little bit water in the jar and you just add it also. Add the salt according to your taste. Salt increases the taste of the dish. Just makes it. Let it boil for some time. The aroma is very nice and the taste will also be nice, but the only thing is it will take some time to boil the vegetables. For that also you just keep it like that and you can continue your work. After boiling you just come and continue that dish. See, now it's ready. It will take 5 to 10 minutes for boiling. Now it's ready. The consistency should be like this. Usually now we are doing palak paneer, paneer butter masala, that is became regular nowadays. You just try this and tell me what your comments in my comments box. Now you can see the consistency. Now it's ready. Just have a glance how it is looking. Making chapati ready. Soft and very tasty chapati and kurma is ready. See chapati how tasty and soft it is. You can see how soft. Now it's ready to eat.